One of southwestern Ontario's best-kept secrets is Strom's farm and bakery located just outside of Guelph, Ontario, Canada. There is so much for families to see and do here with fun and unique activities like duck races, hedge spirals, pumpkin chucking, puppet shows, shopping, and thousands of pumpkins and gourds to choose from. Amy Strom and her staff have created a warm and welcoming down-home country experience that entertains and also educates. And they've got one of the biggest, if not the biggest, corn maze anywhere in Canada. And one of the best things we found was this little gem right here. You know, I feel sorry for anyone who comes to Canada and hears us raving about butter tarts and then goes out and buys one and all they get is a syrupy, crumbly, runny mess and then they say, well, what the heck was that all about? Well, it's because 90% of butter tarts aren't. Let me show you what makes this one so perfect. Right off the bat, you can see it's got a nice uniform crust all the way around. The crust is thin enough that you get lots of filling, and there's just enough crust to hold it all together. The other thing is that the crust, while firm, is nice and flaky on the inside. Flaky but firm enough so that when you bite into the tart, it doesn't all fall apart. Next, when you bite or slice into a butter tart, the filling should stay in the tart. Many so-called butter tarts are made with corn syrup, which in my opinion is an abomination because not only does it make the tart too sweet, it also doesn't help the filling to stay together. And one of the best things to find in a butter tart are plump, juicy raisins. Some people prefer pecans, while others prefer them plain. But my personal opinion is that if it doesn't have raisins, it ain't a butter tart. Visit Strom's in Guelph and you'll taste what I'm talking about.